So last week I showed you how to make hot mocha and iced mocha using our espresso from the mocha pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make mochaccino or mocha frappe. We need a blender for sure. We need 2 ounces of our espresso using the mocha pot. Okay, let's put 2 ounces of espresso. And then, of course, because this is mocha, we need chocolate. I'm putting 1.5 ounce of chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup. If you're using chocolate syrup, use only 1 ounce. If you're using chocolate sauce, you can make it 1.5. Okay? And I always like to make it, because this is for commercial use, I always want to add a bit of condensed milk. Just half an ounce of condensed milk. And then fresh milk. 1 ounce of fresh milk. And because this is frappe, I'm going to put our frappe base. Just 2 teaspoons. Okay, sorry, I put 1 tablespoon. So you can put 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of the frappe base. So put the same size of cup that you will use plus a little bit, and then put it there. And then let's put it, blend it. While we are waiting for our drink to be fully blended, let's put some coffee jelly into our cup. Because there's a coffee jelly there, I'm going to use a straw, boba straw. Okay? Wow, the coffee jelly just simply complements the mochaccino. So very simple procedure, very easy to make. You can actually use your mocha pot to make 6 shots of espresso. You can make 1 hot, 2 hot coffee and 2 cold coffee. 1 is the ice and this is the frappe. So let me know how it goes for you. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.